Hi, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well over this time of isolation and quarantine. And I just want to start off by asking you guys one question, and that is, how many of you know someone who has had Alzheimer's disease? And chances are that there's probably a lot of you that do, just because of that 1 in 10 people over the age of 65 have the disease, and 1 in 3 for people over 85 have the disease. And so, with these stats, I mean, you can tell that Alzheimer's disease is really big, and actually, 5.8 million people have Alzheimer's disease today. So, it's really widespread, and it definitely affects the elderly quite a lot. And so, with this, you can tell that it's a big, big disease that has a lot of importance and hopefully can be cured one day and needs a cure. So, that's why the Cure Alzheimer's Fund is really, really good because it's a nonprofit organization that purely goes to research. So, Cure Alzheimer's Fund can help people with Alzheimer's by basically providing a cure, and all of their profits or donations go to just purely research. 100% of it all goes to research. And to this day, about $100 million has gone to this organization for its research for Alzheimer's disease. And so, although there might not be a clear cure in sight, with all this money going into research for it, there is hope for people who have Alzheimer's disease, because Alzheimer's itself is not a very nice disease. It destroys people's memories and unfortunately makes a lot of their life memories just fade, and even to a point where they might not know or remember to, eat and drink and stuff like that, which is just very hard for them and their families. And so I think that's a really big reason why that this disease is so important and why we need to cure it. And Cure Alzheimer's Fund is a really good way of starting to try and do that. So that's why I think that Cure Alzheimer's Fund is a really, really good organization, and just all their money just purely goes to research and trying to find a way to stop this disease and find a cure.